Welcome to Pric platform. In this video, we'll guide you through how to create, customize, and host a virtual webinar using our platform. Let's get started and navigate to the Events tab. Once you're in the Events dashboard, click on Launch Event to start setting up your webinar. So, in step 1, provide the basic details for your webinar, add a title to your event, choose a category, and upload a cover image to make it visually appealing. Once you've entered these details, click on the Next button to proceed. In step 2, select the type of event you're hosting. For this example, we'll choose Virtual. Next, paste the meeting URL for your webinar. This can be a Google Meet link, Zoom link, or any other platform where the webinar will be hosted. After adding the URL, click on Next to continue. In step 3, set the schedule for your webinar. Select the start and end dates as well as the start and end times. Don't forget to choose the correct time zone to ensure all attendees have accurate timing information. Once you've set up the schedule, click on Next to proceed. Number 4. You can set up your tickets. There are 2 options available, free and paid. For paid events, you can specify the price, ticket name, discount, and ticket quantity. However, for this example, we're creating a free event. Simply select the free option, enter the ticket name, and specify the ticket quantity. Once all the details are filled in, click on the Submit button to complete the setup. Once your event is created, you'll be redirected to the event page. Let's explore all the features available here. At the top of the page, you'll see key statistics such as total registrations, total revenue, and total tickets sold. This provides a quick overview of your event's performance. Below the statistics, you'll find the event link. You can copy it, share it, or even generate a QR code to make sharing easier. Next, you'll see the event title, category, and other details. If you need to edit any information, click on the Add Details button. From here, you can update the event title, category, event type, language, and description. Once you've made your changes, click Save. Below the details, you'll find the location and time section, showing the webinar's virtual meeting link and its scheduled date and time. On the left-hand side, you'll see additional tabs to manage various aspects of your webinar, such as the price, entrance manager, subscribers, and recent transactions. If you're ready to make the event live, toggle the Publish switch on. If you want to unpublish it, simply toggle it off. Finally, there's the Customize Event option. Here you can personalize and edit the event's features, settings. Click on that green button, scroll down to the Gallery section. Here you can showcase images or videos from your past events to make your page more engaging. Click on the Add Media button to open the gallery pop-up. You can either drag and drop your files or browse to select them. Our platform supports images and video formats like MP4, MOV, AVI, and more. If you'd like to add a YouTube video, simply paste the video link in the Add Video Link field and click Add. Once all your media is added, click on the Save button to update your gallery. Below the Gallery section, you'll find the Suggestion option. Click on the Add Suggestion button to recommend products, courses, events, or other resources related to your event. The Suggestion pop-up, select the product or channel you want to recommend. For example, you can add locked messages, Telegram channels, courses, events, or sessions. Once you've selected your options, click on the Submit button to save your suggestions. Next, let's move to the FAQ section. Here you can address common questions about your event to help your audience better understand what to expect. Click on the Add FAQ button to open the FAQ pop-up. Enter the question in the first field and provide the answer in the second field. Once done, click on the Add button to save your FAQ. Repeat this process to add more FAQs. Testimonial section on your event page. To display testimonials, toggle the Show Testimonials switch on. This will enable the testimonial section for your audience. Next, click on the Add Testimonials button. A form will appear where you can enter the details of your testimonial. Below the Smart Promo Code options, toggle approval path market offered. You enable promo codes. By clicking the Smart Promo Code switch on, this will allow you to create and manage discounts. To add a promo code, click on Create your Smart Promo Code. This will open a form where you can configure the promo code details. Enter a promo code manually or click on the Auto-Generate Code button to create one automatically. Next, add a discount. You can set the discount type, such as a percentage or a fixed amount, and specify the discount value. Set the start time and expiry time for the promo code to ensure it's only active during a specific period. You can also limit the usage to certain users by toggling the limited users option. Enable the promo code cross-sell upsell option to apply the promo code based on drop-down selections. This feature allows you to link the promo code to specific products or services for upselling opportunities. Once you've configured all the details, click on the Submit button to save your promo code. It will now be ready for use during the event. Data collection feature, explaining how to create forms and use them to collect valuable information from your buyers. To collect information from your buyers, navigate to the data collection section on your event page. Here you'll see three options: before payment, after payment, and after completion. Currently, after payment and after completion are coming soon, but the before payment option is available to use. If you want to collect information before the payment process, click on the plus icon in the before payment card. This will open the attach form pop-up. If you've already created a form, you can select it from the list of available forms. Use the search bar to find your form quickly. Once you've selected the form, toggle the form required switch on to make the form mandatory for buyers before proceeding with payment. Finally, click on the Save button to attach the form. If you don't have a pre-created form, you can easily create one by clicking on the Create New button. This will open the form creation interface. On the left-hand side, you'll see the question types. These include options like simple text, number, text types, radio button, checkbox, date picker, file upload, and image upload. These question types help you collect the exact information you need from your buyers. Okay? In the middle, you'll see the form preview. This is where you can add and arrange your questions. As you add questions, they'll appear here, giving you a clear preview of how your form will look. On the right-hand side, you'll find the properties and additional settings for each question. This includes options to make a question mandatory, set placeholder text, add instructions, or customize the format to suit your needs. To add a question, simply select the question type from the left. For example, to collect the buyer's name, click on Simple Text. The question will appear in the middle preview section. On the right, you can customize it by marking it as a required field and adding instructions if needed. Repeat this process for other fields like phone number and email. Would have guessed you've added all your questions and customized the form. Enter your name for your form at the top and click the Save button. Your form is now ready to be used in the data collection section. After saving your new form, go back to the Before Payment section. You'll now see your new form listed. Select it, toggle the Form Required option, and click Save to attach it. Subscribers tab that lets you search and filter through all the subscriber details. For example, you can sort by the buyer's name or search for specific subscribers using the search bar right here. Now, if you want to export the data for your event subscribers, click on this Export button at the top right. Export data without form. This will download all the subscriber data as is without including any forms. Export data with form. This option adds all the additional form details along with the subscriber data. And if you don't have active subscribers yet, don't worry. You can easily share your event with your community using the share button right here. Start promoting and grow your subscribers. To find specific transactions, use the search bar. You can filter by phone number or any other relevant criteria from the drop-down menu. Click the View All button to see a detailed list of all transactions completed on your account. Use the Filters option to narrow down transactions by specific parameters, such as date, product, or amount. If no transactions are found, you'll see this message: transaction not found. In this case, create a product and share it to start generating transactions. The Recent Transactions section keeps all your payment activity organized and accessible. SEO tab, you'll notice two key sections: the title and the description. These are essential components for optimizing your event's visibility on search engines and ensuring it attracts the right audience. End footnote. First, let's talk about the title. This is where you enter the name of your event, and it plays a crucial role in how your event appears on search engines like Google. Make sure your title is concise, descriptive, and includes important keywords that people might use to search for your event. For example, here we have Event Management Workshop. Imagine you have a title that both the title and description are crucial for improving your event's search engine optimization. Once you fill them out, your event is more likely to appear in search results and attract the right audience. Is coming from. At the top, you'll see the page views graph, which shows how many people have visited your page. You can monitor trends in real time to understand how well your content is performing. Use the drop-down menus to customize your view. Select the interval as day, week, or month to adjust the time frame. Below, next, you'll see traffic sources, which tells you exactly where your audience is coming from. Whether it's social media, search engines, or direct links, this helps you focus your efforts on the most effective platforms. Next, you'll see in the Traffic Devices section, you can see which devices your audience is using: mobile, tablet, or desktop. So you can optimize your content for their preferred device. Next is Traffic Browsers, showing which browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari your viewers are using. This insight ensures that your pages are optimized for the right platforms. Finally, explore the geographical view map to pinpoint where your audience is located. Zoom in to see exactly which cities or regions your traffic is coming from, helping you tailor your strategies for specific locations. Now that the webinar is created, let's check how to access the View link. Simply go to the top menu and click on the View link option. I'll now go. This will take you directly to the link for your webinar. You can share this link with your audience and you are all set to host your event. Thank you for watching.